My last question for y'all is like, what was something that you did on your first resume while breaking into tech to stand out?
Wow, Samantha.
It's a lot of competition out here. You gotta stand out somehow.
I don't know. I don't know that I did anything to stand out. I think on my project section, I make sure to include the deployed link so they could just click it and go directly to my project and see it and play with it. So they wouldn't have to like type in or go to another page to see that. I made sure that all the links were clickable. I don't know if that makes me stand out, but I did make sure that all the links were clickable. Like my email was clickable, the portfolio was clickable, all the links were clickable on the resume.
Formatting is very important. If I see a period missing and I'm looking at a resume, I'm like, ooh, why is that missing?
Me too.
So it's very important to
Me
have good
too.
formatting.
Yeah, I did the same as Kadesha. I made sure I had all my links working. There's nothing worse than broken links. I made sure I had great keywords, like spearheaded, very action oriented. I also put some, what's the word? Percentages in there.
Oh, nice.
We know we love those percentages. But some statistics in my resume. And this was very, this is also a unique thing. I don't think it's needed, but when conferences were a thing, I did have a business card, and I had like a QR code on my business card. And when you scan it, it could take you to my projects, or it could take you to my resume.
Girl, I did the same thing.
Instead of you did, yeah. So that's a cute little hack. Like, if you don't want to carry your resume around, you can carry like a business card, put a QR code that also links to your resume, links to your project.
Yes, girl. I was at the conference like, just scan this.
Yeah, just scan this. Let me make your life easier.
And if you want any more cool conference tips on what you can do to network, we have a whole episode about that. Y'all should check it out. But for me, what I think made me stand out was I really enjoyed going to hackathons when I was like a beginner. Now, not so much, but when I was a beginner. And I'm very competitive, so I would win. So I would always put like anything that I won on there. I think that helped me stand out, just because it shows that I was involved in the community. So like if you're volunteering, that's also a good thing to put in your resume. Or if you are mentoring people, there's some like things that make you stand out that's still tech related, and that doesn't have to be your skills, doesn't have to be work experience, it doesn't have to be your project section. So get moving, y'all.